Hey guys, D-Cycle here. Welcome to another Sportsner Mods video. Got a real easy one for you today. Today we're going to swap out the stock air cleaner cover here for this one from Joker Machine. Okay, so what I have here is the Joker Machine Techno air cleaner cover. I just bought it online, just got it in the other day. And it comes in 3 different looks. You have the all black here, which is gonna match my bike because it's all blacked out. It also came in chrome, where it's all chromed out, and it also came in another version where you had steel, and then you had the black as well, which I almost got that, but ended up going with this one instead. All right, so install for this should be really simple. It's just a screwdriver. You could probably use either a Phillips or a flathead for this, and some blue Loctite. Okay, so what I have on this bike is an S&S Stealth High Flow Air Cleaner, and what's good about the Stealth is you can put the stock cover right back on it. So all it is undoing these 2 bolts, pulling this plate off, I bought as an extra, pulling the cover off, and we're gonna reuse these 2 bolts here. And then we're gonna put the new cover back on with an additional center bolt. So this air cleaner, I just saw it online, it really caught my eye, and it's mainly just gonna be an aesthetics piece to give your bike kind of a custom look. I'm kind of going for that custom bobber kind of look and feel to my Harley. And you know, it's all blacked out. This thing is made out of billet aluminum. It's really high quality, good craftsmanship, made right here in the USA. So if you guys want to check out Joker Machine, go to jokermachine.com. I'll leave a description link below, so check that out. What's good about these guys is they make parts not only for Harley-Davidson, but they also make them for Triumph and Polaris and a few other manufacturers. So make sure you check them out. They got some good stuff on their website. So let's get to putting this thing on. And here's another look at it. I mean, this thing is it's just beautiful looking. Like I said, it's all billet aluminum. And look, I mean, look at the craftsmanship. I mean, the design work is just killer. So jokermachine.com, guys, if you want to check them out. Really cool stuff. Really cool custom parts for your bike. That's gonna look so badass on my Harley. All right, so first we're gonna take off the stock air cleaner here. Just a couple of screws, a couple of bolts, that's pretty much it. Then we'll take the plate off, and then we'll take the cover off. All right, so this is what the Stealth looks like. I mean, you basically just have a couple of bolts here and one here. For our particular air cover, we're basically just going to take the bolts we had, stick them back on here, and then put that center bolt that came with it and just stick it right in the middle. So this should look pretty cool, pretty easy install. And I am gonna throw a little bit of Loctite onto all 3 of these bolts too. I wanna make sure they don't go anywhere. And check that out. Look at that. That looks so cool. It looks so much better. It's so much cleaner, more sleek. And that is going to be a cool looking mod. Hey guys, real simple mod there. If you ask me, it looks pretty sleek. That's about all I got for today. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.
Superb.